So today guys, I'm going to be running you through how to jumpstart your caravan battery. In the event of a lithium battery losing charge, discharging, it's been put in long storage, whatever the event may be, in some instance, the lithium battery requires to be woken up. What we need to do is we need to hit it with some quick amps, some quick voltage, and the lithium battery, the internal battery management system in these batteries will wake back up. So to do that, we need to get one of these little jump starters. Of course, there's so many brands out there. You do your due diligence, you see what you can get on sale for a top quality LifePro compatible battery, and then the process is simple. There's an Anderson plug located right next to your batteries on the outside, and in some instances, your caravan batteries may be mounted internally in some of the bigger vans. Check outside, there'll be a black Anderson plug located on the MY25 models, ready for this little guy. Now this guy behind me has an external mounted Anderson plug located right next or to underneath the caravan, like so. Black Anderson plug is a compatible Anderson plug that will work with a grey fitment. It will work with a black fitment. All of the Anderson plugs are different colors, all have a few little notch differences, so grey or black is gonna be what fits in this guy here. This is a jumpstart ready Anderson plug. It's fused internally inside. We get our jump starter, LifePro compatible, of course. We hook it up to the positive and negative terminals. We turn him on and we press go. Most often than not, a lot of the jump starters you can find at Super Cheap Auto, Bunnings, Costco even, you'll find that there is a go button on there. You'll hook it up and nothing happens. When you hook it up, there'll be a push button, something that makes the jump starter fire, because the jump starters, they look for power. Right now, the LifePro battery outside has gone to sleep. We need to be able to push power to it. So this jump starter is not going to recognize the battery until you tell it, hey, listen, you're hooked up, go, get firing. So hook it all up, press go, fire him away, and you hear a inside, he'll pop on, the whole van's ready back in action, and ideally, because he's gone flat, we want to be able to pump some charge straight into him. So ideally, hook the car up, plug it into 240, and make sure the sun's shining. This is how to jumpstart your caravan battery on your Crusader Caravan. So guys, thank you so much for watching another handover series tutorial video. If you want to find more, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you want to find the nearest dealer, you want to find out what caravan show we're at next, head to www.crusadercaravans.com.au. Alternatively, like and subscribe. We'll see you next time, guys. Thank you so much.